Just one common kitchen ingredient can be turned into a simple liquid fertilizer in only 48 hours. You don't need any expensive fertilizers, special equipment, or complicated steps. Instead of throwing this kitchen waste into the trash, you can recycle it into something useful for your garden. While it is not a complete fertilizer on its own, it provides a gentle supply of nutrients and organic compounds that can support healthy soil and plant growth. To make it, we collected the peels from about 1 kilogram of potatoes. The fresh peels were placed into a clean container filled with about 5 liters of water. After that, we simply closed the container with a lid and left it undisturbed for the next 48 hours. During this time, the water gradually extracted some of the nutrients naturally present in the potato peels. At the same time, beneficial microorganisms already living on the peel surfaces began breaking down the soft plant material. This natural process released small amounts of potassium, carbohydrates, organic compounds, and other nutrients into the water. As the fermentation continued, the liquid became slightly cloudy and developed a mild fermented smell. This is completely normal and is a sign that the natural extraction process is taking place. After 48 hours, the water had absorbed much of the nutrients that could be released so quickly. We then strained the liquid through a fine cloth or sieve to remove all the potato peels. The strained peels should not be thrown away. They can be added to a compost pile or buried in the garden, where they will continue to decompose and enrich the soil. At this stage, the liquid fertilizer is already ready to use. Since it is quite mild, there is actually no need to dilute it before applying it to plants. However, in this recipe, we wanted to prepare a larger batch and improve it with one more simple kitchen ingredient. The next ingredient is just 1 tablespoon of molasses. Although it is used in a very small amount, it can greatly improve the mixture. Molasses is rich in natural sugars that serve as food for beneficial soil microorganisms. Once applied to the soil, these microorganisms become more active and help break down organic matter into forms that plant roots can absorb more easily. Molasses also contains small amounts of minerals, including potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, making it a useful addition to this homemade fertilizer. Apply the liquid directly to the soil around the base of your plants so it reaches the root zone. Avoid soaking the leaves, as this mixture is intended mainly as a soil drench. It can be used on vegetables, herbs, flowering plants, fruit plants, and most container-grown plants. Because it is a gentle fertilizer, it can be applied every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season. Although this homemade fertilizer provides useful nutrients and encourages healthy microbial activity, it should not replace compost or a balanced fertilizer. Think of it as a natural supplement that supports soil health while giving your plants an extra boost.